Go ahead, please. Hello, guys. Can you see this file level? Like here, you
Okay.
Yes,
huh?
sir.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think this is the best thing I can do here. You have one the HTML file called SSIX101.html that I have sent to the group, WhatsApp group, right? So over here you have two folders sitting in this big folder SSIX-101, right? So the first folder here is CSS. If I open it, oh no, okay, let me delete this one. This one is not moved to, yeah. If you can see this one, right? This is CX exercise101.css. That is a CSS file there. And if I go back and I open the images, if you can see all of them, yeah. Please, this remind me of this registration. Some of you did not upload your picture, and a lot of people have not signed, have not registered. Please, we need those data to give report to this sponsor. It is very important, please. And for whatever data goes to the Ministry of Education and the World Bank, you should know that it's more than secure. Those are uh, uh, organizations with a very high profile. They have regards for privacy, data privacy. So don't be panic for anything. When we request for your name, is a validation that the job they have given to us, we've not come here, to create ghost students. So please, should assist us in that manner. That will go a long way. Thank you. So if you can see the brother that said, I think that will be Emmanuel, that said that his images were not properly uh, that his images are not aligning in the browser. This is how it should look. But I'm not saying that it must be this image or these images, right? You can have your own image, but it's always good to first of all understand. Then from there you can reinvent into it, bring your own creative imagination and all of that stuff. And from there, you start seeing your hands getting higher on this. So from these three things I've shown, what is the what this person is opening his door? What is what is the issue currently? Have you done it? If you have not done it, what is the problem? How can we assist? Cannot just be here teaching. Because after this thing, we're gonna give you a very brief project, like bringing HTML and CSS together. And then why that is ongoing, we're going to jump into JavaScript a little bit for you to understand what programming really is, because the very fundamental construct of programming is JavaScript. For whatever language you're going to be mastering, like Python, like Java, C++, Objective-C, Swift, Go, Ruby's on Rails, AS.NET, pair programming, all of that is queued into JavaScript. Queue into it, I mean, they have affiliation. So you need to know a bit of JavaScript, right? And for some of you that will be specializing in the Python full stack, definitely JavaScript is going to be there for you forever, unfortunately. So you just have to dish a way to like it. And data science, maybe if you don't want it, that is okay, but you should know web development. So you may want to be analyzing your data on the browser. That is what we are saying here. So please, for this basic exercise that we've even assisted you by creating it for you, can you can you just attempt to see what can be done about it? Because I need to be rest assured that everybody, has found his or her level here. Cannot just be coming here every evening, be talking. The painful thing about teaching, we have a lot of professors here, and is when you think you can open the brain of your student and insert it and let go so that they'll pay you, and that'll be all. But unfortunately, it does not work that way. So we've done HTML, the very fundamental of HTML. We've done CSS, and after this exercise, if this exercise is about just picture grids, you to thumbnails can come here from these picture grids. You can, try to see what you can do with pictures. And from here now, we'll just try to see the classification of a website from that really assignment 1. So if you permit me, I would want to go there and then come share with you. So let me stop this, how that assignment will look like. IGF projects, I think it should be here. IGF projects. Yes. I want to see if it is, yeah, this one. Okay, brilliant. All right. Okay. I'm going to share there and share here. So, so the this is it. Is a BBC website. This is a CSS file, HTML file, and a lot of images. The images, there are few, just few of them. So if I stop sharing this and share the project the way it looks like, you're gonna like it. It's something that you can do within, let's say, if your hand is not very strong, you can do it for 2 days. If you have been following our classes, you can do it for 3 hours. But for pro, this like less than 20 minutes, can be hard coded. So this is our project. We're going to analyze this project. Then we're going to show you the one that we think we've not covered here. So this upper section where I highlighted, please, if you can see this page, let me know. This screen, if you can see. Can everybody?
Yes, I can see.
Very good.
Yeah, we can see it.
All right.
Yes,
Thank
we
you.
can see it.
This, in case
I can
for disclaimer, this Aduche and Enuche, this is a restaurant that my wife has already registered. So if I see it anywhere, I will sue you. Eh? So I've used their logo. So okay. The upper chamber, this one, this first one, right? It has a name. This second one has a name. This third one, it has a name. So, but the way we will start it, that 3 things here, you're going to look at them as nav bar. Nav bar. You might have been hearing of nav bar. This is a bar where all the pages have been accommodated. All the hyperlink, like the hyperlink, they are all been accommodated in terms of hyperlinks in the pages. You can see, you see like home, UK, world, business, politics, science, health, education, all of those stuff, right? And some of those things, just to be very, very quick about it, they are just images to make it look beautiful, right? Ordinarily, they are not supposed to be images. They are supposed to be I'm going to teach you, I don't know if I've taught you about icons, about fonts, font housing and icons. Some of them, they're supposed to be icon and all. Like, for example, this location should be icon. This chevron down, right? For this drop-down menu, it should be icon. This search, where there is a search, even though you can write that logo there is supposed to be icon. And so also with some of this, even the bell supposed to be icon, but I just use image to just wrap it up in a very quick way, right? So, and I try to fill it up with content. Nobody is ever going to tell you or submit content to you. If a company is providing you a content as a web developer, you are never going to take the job because the money will be very, very minimal. So we are also, as a web developer, we are also content creator. Not those guys out there on social media claiming that they are content creator. Is when they reject your content that you know that you don't know how to create content, because you have to align with the products and services of the company. And nobody's going to tell you this. It's part of you as a developer. So, okay. This is navbar, right? And this one now, you can call it navbar main. This is not always the pattern, but unfortunately for this website that we've chosen in terms of BBC, this is how it looks, right? Always the pattern is just one like this, just one navbar, main navbar, it's okay, right? And this is a top navbar, top. But this, it does not have a formal name given to them, because this is not like, you're going to look at this case now as a case between Prince Abubakar Audu and the Nigerian law in constitution. It's when the man died that they started bringing things in like that. So if a case demand that there is something like this, you have to give it a name. You can give it a navbar. I call this one navbar top, right? And I call this one news area. But this is the main navbar, the one that you've been seeing over and over on in the website. This is this one, right? So logo is very, very key. Every website you go has a logo. If it is Punch, Vanguard, wherever, MTN, Google, the first thing you see on Google is logo. They put their own very big, as if you are not welcome there. So this session is navbar. So the rest of this session navbar, mind you, in our website, right? This is still in the body section because it's showing here. I told you whatever you want it to show on the body of the website, it must be put in under the, in the body section. All these things are in the body section, right? So if you see this thing very well, you're going to see one section here. You're going to see another section in the middle where it's carrying this Aduche and Enuche event management service. You're going to see another one here that is carrying this watch list and co, right? So this is our side left, we call it. And this is our side right, we call it. And this one is called article, where the image is sitting. So this is a 3-column website. For those of you who are researchers, you know what a column is when you are writing. Like, you can divide your page into 2 columns or 1 column or 3 columns or 4 columns even, depending on the type of things that you're writing. One thing that is not here is a footer. That's supposed to be a footer where you see copyright, where you see sitemap, that is not here yet. So going by all of this, you see that if we hover on some, it changes color and then it toggles to means if you click it, it will link to somewhere, right? So what this means, this is a link. I'll go show you now on the Sublime. This is a link. Wherever you hover and you see it change to hands, that is a link. This is just a description of what is going on. Sorry, this one here, right? This one is another link. And this is a link. This is a link. Yeah. So you're hovering around it. It must not change color when you hover, but these are all links, right? This is also a link. And these are video, but this video, I just design them and upload them like that. So they're not video that you can click and then, it will work. Like, for example, this is supposed to be a video, right? I just designed them in order to fast track this project. So that is all about the project. So what do you guys think? Do you think you can do it? Please, I need 3 response. Do you think it will be too difficult for us to achieve? Do you think that what we have covered, because what we have not covered here only is just a link, from what we are saying, it's just a link. We know how to move, things to the left, right, center. You cannot tell me that you cannot move it. You know how to put a grids. In fact, this is in a block form already, no flex. I mean this one, these pictures, they're in a block form already. So what we have not shown you here is, background color. This is the background, different background here, right? And then the search, yeah. The search I've not shown you, the code for search, but that is okay, simple. So comments and respond, word of encouragement or wisdom. Yeah, I know there are a lot of educators here. Please share with us. Does it look like something that is achievable within a period of 3 days? And when I mean 2 days is, Sunday in between tomorrow evening and Sunday and Monday. Then so by Monday, you start telling me what's up about it. So, Prof. Manuel Onoja, please, you want to go? Want to tell us, is it achievable from what you have been attending? From there, Madam Blessing will tell us. Maybe another lady.
I think it's possible, sir.
Elizabeth, you've been here. You have to talk. It's time to be talking. Who is talking now, please? I need to know. Hello? Who said that it's possible?
I said it should be possible. It's Emmanuel.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Manuel, which one? We have several Emmanuel here. Adejo, Onoja.
Honor.
Okay, Honor. All right. Prof,
I think it's on the
are you always here or you select days?
I've been having bad network, that's why, but I've been following, but just quiet, yeah.
All right,
I've been
sir.
following. I think an Onoja, Honor Emmanuel, we have been hanging out to fix me up, but I think it's achievable.
All right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, the females, please.
Well done, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Elizabeth talking.
Yes.
I think it's achievable.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have just few lapses. I've been having network challenge.
Okay.
I missed about 2 classes previously, but I'm trying to catch up from the recording. I'm trying to catch up.
Exactly, please.
So I think in between now and the Monday, I should be able to do something.
All right, ma'am. That would be very
Yes,
that would be very appreciated. Thank you. All right. Who is not here? Oh, he's not here, right? Constance, you're always here. Please. Blessing, always here. Talk. Tammy just joined us today. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, Madam Blessing, Madam Constance, do you want to tell us something concerning this project?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, ma'am.
We can achieve it. We can achieve it
All right.
because we've done a lot concerning the margin left that we will achieve
Thank
and we will apply here.
Mm.
And the font size, the text transformation, the border width, and all of that, and the
Beautiful.
text also.
Thank you.
So we can achieve that.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Let's say that is achievable as well. So there is a secret I need to share with you guys concerning projects. That email, before we finish this program, I'll pull that email from the creator or inventor of Python. He used to be my mentor, and he's currently a fellow in Google. He's a fellow engineer in Google. That is like the highest level. From there, you become vice president and then president. So, and when we mean fellow, he's bigger than CEO because he's sitting at the highest level of technical team. I wrote him one time. That time I was doing one project and the project was giving me heart attack. And I wrote him, that's sir. Is it that is a thing of about me only, or this is very generic to every engineer that do project? He said, what is that? I said, when they gave me this project, I have no idea I'm going to get them done. In the middle of the project, I never thought I could finish it. And then he told me this. He said, my friend, even we here at Google, there is no project that Google will bring, no matter how smart you are, that you have an idea on how to do it. You always have to go research, do things, study before you can get it started even. And in the middle, you feel like you should go back and tell them to sack you. So by so doing, don't even think that you cannot do this. Do you understand? At first, when you start, you feel like, no, what is this? We were not taught and all of that stuff. No. This is very, very simple, man. Answers. This is very, very simple. So one thing that I need you to know is know how to create your folder, know how to create your file level, though I'm going to do a screen record and upload it concerning the file system, right? So that you will know all of those. Because there is difference between creating normal folder on your desktop and using it for official, for office sake, and being a programmer, because it wouldn't want your mind to be divided. So you're going to create a project folder, project files. There are ways that we do them. And there are ways that when you are done creating it in a folder, you can just go to your text editor or IDE and pull the whole folder from there so that it will arrange it for you. And that I'm going to go do now for you to see. So that is very, very important. So for example, this is a new Sublime, right? It's gonna create a new window, then share the new window with you. Then I will do that thing that I just told you. So you go to file. If you can see can you all see my screen? This dark screen, can you?
Yes, sir.
So you go to file, right? Under the file, you're going to see open. You're going to see open recent. So you instead of new file, you're going to click on open. When you click on open, right, it's going to take you to either desktop or document. I don't know where I saved this stuff, but I think it's where I have this our folder. All right, that means it's on document. So Let me go to document. On document, yeah, ABCD, okay. ABCDEF. Where is it sitting then? I'm gonna call it SSX. Yeah, see it's then. Exactly. So can you see? Can you see it? Can you see it by the left?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So the very first, the one upstairs, that exercise -101 is the parent folder. If I close it now, you see, you will not see any again. But if I open it, you're going to see three things here. You're going to see CSS folder, image folder, and HTML, where we have this our beautiful, well-arranged HTML. And if I open the CSS, you're going to see a CSS file. And if I open the image, all the images, you're going to see them display. It's still loading. Yeah, the first one was loading. Are you seeing it? Yeah, this one is WebP. So if I convert it to PNG, you might have seen it. You see? Can you guys see it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that is how it is. Some are still loading, some have loaded. This is just to tell you that, yeah, right? So you see where is well arranged. So you can decide to create your folder like that and then pull the folder here, and then you operate from here, right? So yeah, this file and folders, this is our project folder that we uploaded on the group. Just try to arrange it in as much as I will do a screen recorder, and then I'll put it so that you will do it better there, and to make sure that you started the journey. If there is no question, then we'll go back to our slides. And this is the project that we did. The only difference here is that this one does not have an ID name. But I mean, it does have an ID name, but it's very just picture number, then the numbers. But ours, we try to give them names. And the other difference is that this one is a cat, while that one is a dog. And plus, another difference is this is just 8 grids, and ours has about 16 grids. And some of the description were given accurately, while some were not there. So I think that is the only thing here. I'll put up a solution here for you on CodePen. I use CodePen a lot. So in our class so far, we've done HTML, CSS. Part of the HTML that we know we've done is H1 to H6 paragraph elements, image element, audio element, video element, OL, UL, div, session. What we've not done that I said I want to show you here is a hyperlink, right? Which we've not done. And yeah, and in the CSS, we've talked about what CSS is, the same we've done for HTML. We told you about selector property. We told you about value or properties. And for you to start calling any selectors, we did class and ID on our HTML where we can reference in the CSS. And CSS and HTML, they do not stop there. Know very well, this is just a very, very fundamental level that we are beginning with. So I will still come back here, but let me go show you the hyperlink thing on our, where is this thing? Sorry. Okay. When this link finish, just jump to the other link. So here, which one do we have to give it a link? Let's say we want to make the name a link. The name, this first name, we want to give it a link. Just gonna say A. Yep. Sorry. Then I'm gonna put it here. And if you want to link it to maybe Facebook, say www.facebook. But if you don't want to link it to facebook.com, right? If you don't want to link it to, let's say this one. Let me show you another way we link. A is the link, the hyperlink, right? The hyperlink. They also open and close thing, but it has a href in it. So here, want to link it maybe to a file, let me copy the, or maybe you link it to details about this. So let me go copy the details. Let me say let's say the details is in let's say detail is on wiki. What's the name of that dog again? Sorry. American Bully Grace. I want to show you something. That's American Bully. Okay. Then copy image link, image address. Yeah. All right. So I'm just going to put the image address here. It's a very long address. Another one is the link. I'm making it a link now, right? These are their names that I'm making a link. So let's say we have a HTML file, right? HTML dot, let's say about us. Dot about. That means when you go out and you click this thing, it's going to link to the about. But if there is no anything called about exist in that file level, then it's going to toggle to 0. Like you're not going to see anything, or it's going to tell you that no such file exists. So we're going to save pretty much. And we right click, quite okay. I'm going to go, I'm going to go save it again. In share. Where is the sharing thing? Okay, stop sharing and then share this for everybody to see. So, did you see the hand? Can you see the hand? When I hover on it, Hello, guys.
Yeah, we are seeing it.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
seeing
sir,
it.
we can see it.
Yes. So this one too. These are the ones that, and then if you see them, they automatically change color to blue. But when we visit them, they are going to change differently. For example, this one that we put HTML dot about us. Let me click it. Do you see it? It says your file couldn't be accessed. It may have been moved, edited, or deleted, right? Or error file not found, right? So let's go back. Let's click this guy. If I have internet, do you see? Because that I copied direct link of this American Bully Gray. That is what I copied. When we go back, this one, you click it, right? It said that facebook.com, your file couldn't be accessed. It may have been moved or whatever, right? Is it on www.facebook.com? Why did they say that? Do they change their home URL from Facebook? You know, that guy is crazy. It can be just changing every second. Yep. So yeah. This one that we visited rightly, you see that it has changed color to purple. And because we couldn't access those two, the way they are. Any question? That is about link. That is about link, which is A. Hello, guys. Question, please. You have less than 2 minutes to join the other link. That would be the, is it a third link or the what link? Is it third?
That should be the third link. The third link.
What? We hear what to do. I think they worry me already. Okay. Yes, please, questions. You need to be asking me, bombarding me with questions, please. It's okay, Singai. Where are you? Have you not arrived home? You're still on the way? Or he's here? You want to ask questions? It's a link that, like, is a link, a hyperlink that we just showed them how to do. I don't know if you know how to do a hyperlink.
If you are hosting the site on a server, that means the image stored in the server is the link you copy and then paste in that image tag.
If you are hosting what? If you are hosting your website on a server.
If this this thing was being hosted, this whole site, let's say this whole site we're trying to create now, if it was being hosted on a server, that means the tag now, the link for the image will be the link you get from what you stored on that server.